How to change Safari language on iOS 26 in seconds. Tap on Settings button. Scroll down to the base of this page. Tap on Apps. From the list of apps here, guys, locate and tap on Safari, or you can use the search section here. Search for Safari. Now tap on Safari. Go ahead and tap on language here. Tap on it. Now that I've tapped on it, here are the suggested language. Now you can scroll down and pick any of the languages that is here. So let's try out this Japanese. Tap on it. Then tap on this back button. Tap on it to back out of this place. Now let's open our Safari. Now let's try. You can see that the language has been changed. Now let's confirm this again by changing to English. Tap on settings. Then go to the app section. Tap on Safari. Then from here, tap on language. Go ahead and select English or any language you want. Then tap back again. Tap back. Then tap back and go out of this settings page. Let's open Safari again. Let's refresh this. You can see that it has translated to English. So this is the same process, guys, on how to change language on Safari on iOS 26. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.